Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to check weekly forecast weather in Android phone. So if you want to know the forecast for today, tomorrow, or on the Saturday or etc., you just need to follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So you can see here this is the forecast of this is today's forecast shown here, and if you want to check the other, you just need to click on this, and then you'll see the forecast weather for tomorrow, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and etc. It is so detailed here, shown from the temperature, from the humidity, from the temperature, and etc. And then it is shown from time to time, from 7 until midnight. Okay, it's so easy and I think you can follow it. So that's it from me. That is how to check your weekly forecast weather on your Android phone. I hope it helps you. If you like the video, don't forget to click like and also leave a comment if you have any question, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye bye.